The darkFlash DPW90 Gaming PC Case features an innovative, back-mounted motherboard design that enhances aesthetics and simplifies cable management, making it ideal for both novice and experienced builders. Its sleek curved glass panel offers a stunning 270-degree panoramic view, adding a modern touch to any gaming setup. With support for up to 10 fans and dual 360mm radiators, this case ensures optimal cooling performance for high-intensity gaming sessions. The spacious interior of the DPW90 accommodates high-end components, including large graphics processing units up to model 4090, and allows for straightforward upgrades and maintenance. Equipped with a Type-C port, this PC case offers fast data transfer and broad device compatibility, catering to modern connectivity needs. Constructed from durable materials, the darkFlash DPW90 ensures your gaming components are well protected within its robust and stylish frame.